Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 57. Want to get back doing these videos here. I had some personal things going on, so should be good to go here. So we just got our earning notification here. As you see, the number one beside the bell. Today, the daily earning percentage was 0.56%, so I made $77.92 on the money I have invested. Just gonna mark that as red. There we go. See, the bell went away. So it's a good earning day, guys. I'm currently, I think, $317 away from 19,000. So I'm creeping up on that. Hopefully, we have a good week. It's a Monday today, so it's a good start to the week. So I'm excited about that. If you guys are just kind of getting into the S Group and money earning opportunity here, this is a company that has many facets where you can earn money. I don't know if you've been following my channel or not, but when I started back in fall of 2020, there was only a Forex market. That was an option where you can make an investment. And now they've expanded into S Pharmaceutical, SIPO, liquidity mining, these other three areas. Let's give you a brief description here. The S Pharmaceutical, that is dealing with medical marijuana, and it deals with the production, extraction, sale, and products of it. And those are the investment amounts that you have to make. So it just runs through whatever cycle that you invest in, and then they give you a certain percentage of the earnings. So it's all done on autopilot. And then SIPO, that's dealing with different stocks that they do business with. Does stock trading automatically. So if you invest any one of these tiers, it's kind of like Forex. So actually, it's the same breakdown as Forex. So you invest in any of these tiers, and you get the first amount, and they keep the other percentage amount. That's for the automatic stock trading option that they have. And then the last one is liquidity mining, which is their own token system that they have that runs on a different market. And it's pretty much the same thing. You know, you invest a certain amount for, well, this one is you invest a certain amount for a period of time, like either 90 days, 180 days, or 365 days. And then you get a certain percentage based on the duration that you invest in. So the longer the duration, a bigger piece of the pie you get. So you get 85%. You invest in for 100 days, you get 80%. And you invest in 90 days, and you get 75%. And yeah, so that's how that works, guys. But for now, I'm just invested in Forex because that's what was available when I started. I'm just building up my Forex account. I kind of want to get it to about at least 25,000. 25,000. Once I reach 25,000, I'm already almost at 19,000. I'm like 317 away from 19,000. So once I reach 25,000, I'll be making 500 USD per week, guys, and growing. So it's going to grow a lot faster. Ideally, I want to obviously get to the highest tier that they have in the Forex market here. Oh, sorry, there we go. The highest tier is the 50,000, but when I reach 25,000, which will probably be around November, I'll be earning 80% of the daily earnings. So 50,000 is the ultimate goal. Once I'm there, I don't have to compound anymore. I can just reap the rewards and earn the money. So yeah, getting close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. I know I've been active on the YouTube, but I'll try to get more active. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And if you want to sign up with the Forex investment, just make sure you click on the sign up link in the description down below. And also my email address is in the description down below. If you want to shoot me an email if you have any questions about anything, I'll be more than happy to answer those questions, guys. Yeah, all right. So don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.